Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a crispy honey chicken. So let's see the ingredients. I've taken about 1 kg of boneless chicken, 10 garlic cloves which is chopped, 1 inch ginger which is finely chopped, and about 10 dried red chillies, about 2 large onions which is peeled, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds which is roasted, some corn flour, some salt, some honey, white vinegar, some soya sauce, and 1 egg. So let's marinate the chicken first. Let's add about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, about 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Today I am using the light soya sauce. Let's add 1 whole egg. And also let's add about 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix all the ingredients together. This gives a nice coating to the chicken. So let's marinate for about 10 minutes and keep it aside. Now you can see it's well marinated. Now take another bowl full of corn flour. Let's dip the chicken pieces in the dry corn flour and start coating the chicken. Now let's coat the chicken nicely with the dried corn flour and keep it aside and prepare it for frying. This double coating method gives a nice crispy texture to the chicken. So once all the chicken is well coated with the corn flour, heat some oil in a pan. When the oil is nice and hot, let's start frying the chicken pieces. It would take about 7 to 10 minutes. So let it become nice and crispy. When a chicken is nicely cooked and crispy, let's take the chicken and keep it aside. The corn flour gives a nice crispy texture to the outer coating of the chicken. So you can see we have fried all the chicken and kept aside. So now let's start preparing the sauce for the chicken. Take a bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. I'm using the light soya sauce. You can also use the dark soya sauce. Add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar for a nice tangy flavor. And now let's add the honey. I'm adding about 2 large tablespoonfuls of honey. It's a honey chicken, so we need the sweet taste of the honey to coat the chicken. So now mix all the sauces together and keep it aside. Now take a pan and stir fry the sesame seeds till they are nice and crispy. Keep the flame in medium so that the sesame seeds do not burn. So when it's nice and crispy, let's take the seeds and keep it aside. These sesame seeds are used for garnish. So take another pan. Let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I've used a refined oil. And let's add the chopped ginger and the chopped garlic. And stir fry it till they are nice and golden. Also, let's add the dried red chillies. Today I have added about 10 numbers of dried red chillies. Stir fry till all the ingredients are nice and golden brown. Now let's add about 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. This gives a nice heat to the chicken. You can alter the chili flakes according to your taste. So now let's add the onions and stir fry it. When all the ingredients are nicely fried, let's add the sauce that we had prepared earlier and kept aside. Always remember to mix the sauces well before adding to the pan. So let it boil and become nice and thick. You can see it's a nice dark sauce. So you can see it's nicely boiling. At this stage, let's add the fried chicken into the sauce. Mix it thoroughly so that all the chicken pieces are well coated with the sauce. Now let's add about 1 tablespoon of corn flour with water mixture to make the sauce nice and thick. Our very sticky and sweet, crispy honey chili chicken is absolutely ready. Serve it hot. Do try this lovely recipe. Let us garnish it with some sesame seeds. That's it, friends. Our lovely, delicious, sweet honey chili chicken is ready. Do try this recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.